We're in the middle of the Farm Belt, and you're going to learn the Midwest dialect. I brought the heavy artillery to help us out. Gunthor, let's do this.
Glad to be here.
You ready? Resonance. In standard American English, right in the middle of the mouth. But for the Midwest,
The resonance is up and back there by the uvula. You know, the thing that dangles up there? That's where it is. There's more movement in the tongue. And you keep the lips real close together. And the air goes through the center portion of the mouth. That's how we do it in the Midwest.
you ever notice there's a rhythm with a Midwest dialect? And sometimes you even throw in syllables where they don't belong. For instance, the sentence, "We were sitting here a long time," in the Midwest Farmbelt would be,
"We was a setting here a long time." See how I added them A's in there?
in the South, many words end with the ah sound. For instance, "the poor soldier went to war" would be, "the poor soldier went to war." Don't do that in the Midwest. Keep the R tight and firm. For instance,
"We was a setting here a long time."
you're ready for the vowels. The A sound gets the short I sound. Like 20 cents becomes
20 cents. That's right. You can't get nothing for under 20 cents. I remember when I was able to get a pack of bubblegum baseball cards for under 20 cents. Not no more.
Did you see how tight and firm the R was when Gunthor said it? Make sure you do that. Here's how.
The tongue is even further up in the back, and the lips are even closed more. That's right, the sound,
Then there's the OR sound. It goes to the OR sound. For instance, pour and war go to
pour, war. Keep it tight and firm.
In the South, you often get the I sound going to the long I sound. For instance, "I like ice cream" becomes "I like ice cream." Not so in the Midwest.
I like ice cream. I really do. My favorite kind, Rocky Road. Tight and firm, Rocky Road.
Again, in the South, the oi sound gets the exaggerated oi sound. For instance, the sentence, "The boy gave me a toy," in the South would be, "The boy gave me a toy." But in the Midwest, keep the I, like the R, tight and firm.
The boy gave me a toy. Not really. I don't play with those toys. Well, maybe a little bit. I still got my old He-Man and the Masters of the Universe toys in my closet. I'll bust them out occasionally and play with them.
In the Midwest, the A, the E, and the O sounds are all, again, tight and firm, and keep the tongue in back of the throat. Whereas in the South, for the A, the E, and the O, the resonance is pushed forward.
You heard him. Tight and firm.
The U sound doesn't get pushed so far up and back. It's actually pushed forward a little bit, but not as much as the South. So it's pretty indistinguishable from standard American English.
Run. I'm upset. A little bit more forward.
The aw sound doesn't get drawn out like it does in the South. Awful. Awkward. Nah, in the Midwest, the magic words, tight and firm.
Awful. Awkward.
Short O gets the aw sound. Rocket becomes
rocket. There's a rocket up there. It's not really rocket. I was just saying the word so you get the hang of saying it yourself. Go ahead, say it. Rocket.
For the words sit and sat, they both get changed to set. I sit down there. I sat there. Go to
I sat down there. I sat there.
ing goes to in, like it does in so many dialects. Walking and talking become
walkin, talkin.
Here's one I like. The ASH sound, as in wash, gets an R thrown in there. For instance, wash becomes
warsh. I like a woman who washes her hair.
Thanks for joining us. And thank you, Gunthor. Such a great job.
Sure thing.
Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, like the video, make a comment if you have further questions. I'll do what I can to help.
That's right.
See you next time.
See you next time.